Hey guys, John from S&S Cycle here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the S&S high flow replacement air filter for the Royal Enfield 650 Twin. Before we start the install, we're going to talk about a couple tools you'll need. Phillips screwdriver and a 4mm Allen. We're going to be using a T-handle for this. It makes it a little bit easier. And you'll also need your key. The reason why you need your key is you're going to unlock this side panel right here. This is a key step in getting the other panel off. So you turn to unlock, pull out, and it slips right out of the tabs up top, just like so. This opens up your release handle for your seat, which you'll need to get into the Allen bolt on the side for the side panel. Pull and lift up. Take seat off, and you're ready to move the other side. Once you have removed your right side cover and the seat, you gain access to this 4mm bolt. You will need to remove that to remove the left side cover to gain access to your air filter. Remove the bolt and pop the cover off from the grommets. Now that we remove the bolt, we'll pop the cover off. There's one top grommet in the corner right here and one bottom grommet that lifts in. Now we have gained access to the air box. There are 3 Phillips screws that cover the air filter. You'll need to remove these. Okay. Note, keep the hardware that you have removed. You will need to use the stock hardware for the replacement filter. Reach in and pull out the stock air filter straight towards you. Replacement filter, S&S replacement filter. You slide right in, making sure it seats all the way around, like so. Next, we will secure the high flow air filter with our Air Intake Eliminator Kit. This will give us 95% increase in airflow over the stock restricting cover and filter. Next, we will install each piece of the Eliminator Plate Kit using the stock hardware. Now that we've installed the air filter and the Air Intake Eliminator Plate Kit, we will put the left cover back on, sliding the tab down into the grommet, and the top left one pops in. Then we will add our 4mm screw, stock screw, Allen screw, back into the top to secure the plate. Now we will reinstall the seat by sliding it up and locking it in, and adding the right-sided plate, pushing it up into the top tabs and pressing down and locking it in. And there you have it. That's how you install the S&S high flow replacement air filter. If you like this video, follow us on our social media channels, and always check sscycle.com for more information.